just stumbled across this abandoned railway station in Colombia, so let's take a peek inside. Quite a pond to it in here, hasn't it? Partly due to conflict, partly due to corruption, partly due to the geography of Colombia. It's very mountainous. Railway never ever took off here, and now this 19th century project is slowly falling into decay. Here is the old railway line, now completely being overgrown, slowly being repossessed by nature. See? Oh yeah, look. So this could be coming down quite soon because look at the crack in that arc. Notice has been served by the Ministry of Culture, basically saying that soon they're going to knock this down.